Hello everybody and welcome to my wash hour routine. I wash my hair every 7 to 10 days and I clarify once a month. So stay tuned if you want to know how you can have healthy, clean hair and reduce your wash time to 1 hour, because I know we all dread wash days. I put my shampoos and my conditioners and my clarifying shampoos all in these cute little squeeze bottles to make it easy for me to go. So when we hop in the shower, what I actually recommend is I recommend dry washing your hair first. That takes up all the buildup, and for a lot of people who think their hair is low porosity, for the most part, it's really just dirty. But since my hair was not very tangled really well, I just jumped in with the water. I put my hair in 4 sections and I just put in a little water in there so I can comb it out and detangle it before actually going in and washing. Then we hop into shampooing, and what I do is I use my little squeeze bottle and I get in right into those 4 lines of the sectionings, and then with how wet my hair is already, I just massage all the product into my hair and lather it up. I personally like a shampoo that lathers, but that's definitely up to you. And I just do this for a bit. I make sure I get in there, I section piece by piece, and I just rub into my scalp and just make sure it's super clean. And then I also take back my wet brush and I just comb it out a little bit just to make sure throughout the whole way of this process my hair is well detangled. And I actually do this twice. After my 2 washes, I actually grab my conditioner and I do the same process that I did with my shampoo. I use the squeeze bottle, I section my hair into 4s, and I put it along the lines. If you're wondering where I got my squeeze bottle, I actually got mine. I tried to go to Sally's, but I actually ended up getting bigger ones like this. I got mine at Michael's, which is a craft store, and they were actually in the bakery section, so they're for cakes. So yeah, I use those on my hair. Now sis, let me provide you another tip and help you out when it comes to conditioning. We have a weird conception where we put so much conditioner in our hair where our hair turns literally white when we actually don't need that much conditioner. And let me help you save a coin and save some of your product. So as you can see, I literally just put in those 4 sections some conditioner and that will be enough to suffice my hair. There's a technique called marrying your conditioner, which means you put conditioner on soaking wet hair and you work it into your strands. You're adding a lot of water while you're massaging it into your hair, root to end. So if you feel like you need more conditioner, just add more water. The key is water, water, water. So when you're like low on conditioner, you think you need more, actually just add more water, and that's just called marrying the conditioner into your hair. You add more water and it actually it's like it brings more of the conditioner to your hair. So it's a great technique. You should try it out, and it makes your hair feel so much more moisturized and just so much more plump and luscious. And finally, once I get out of that shower, this might shock you guys, but I really just use one styling product and that's all you need to use. I use either a foam or a gel, and today I chose to use a foam. I typically honestly use a foam. I like it better and I like how it feels and it's not greasy or anything. So that's typically what I use, and I just make sure that that's distributed all over my hair evenly, and I comb it out and play with it. And honestly, after this, I just let my hair air dry today. It's better if you use a diffuser, but I don't have that at hand here. After that, I just kind of zhush my hair, whack my freaking head back and forth. I'll whip my hair back and forth, literally. And that is how I do my 1 hour wash day. Super easy, super quick. This is how much hair that I lost. It's very small. I haven't washed my hair in 10 days, and this is how much shedding I have. This is how my hair turned out. I kind of just let it air dry. I don't like using heat on my hair because I'm so terrified of heat. Like, I'm just so terrified of heat damage. The only time I use heat on my hair is when I go to the hairstylist. My wet brush still goes through it pretty well. I'll just use this to kind of fluff it out. But yeah, this is how shrunk my hair has gotten, and I try not to get too discouraged with it being shrunken and not turning out exactly how I want it, because the more your hair shrinks, the healthier
it is. So it's a good little tip to keep in mind. But yeah, that is my wash hour routine. It's super easy, only 2 products, and I think you guys should try it. It feels so good on my hair. My hair feels so light and airy. I put nothing on my hair except for that mousse, and then I just let it air dry, and it feels beautiful. So if you guys ever get the chance to try it, let me know down below, because most of us has never tried our hair without oils and stuff, and oils are not so great for your hair. If you'd like to check it out, I've made a video on that about oils, kind of explaining about it, so I'm not going to go into a huge rant here. But yeah, this is my wash hour routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. After I married my conditioner into my hair, I actually just left it in, did my whole body routine, and then just rinsed it out. I was naked by then, so I wasn't going to show that on camera. So I'm exhausted. I need to edit this video for you guys to go up tomorrow. But yeah, that is my wash hour routine, and it is a wash hour routine you guys can. I do this weekly, and I've learned this from certified hairstylists who specialize in our type of hair, and literally for over 20 years these people have recommended doing your hair like this, and it made wash day so much easier for me, and it will make it so much easier for you as well. Literally, I do this in an hour, and I do this literally weekly, and I love wash day. I find it really fun. Every 7 to 10 days I do this to my hair. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching again. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. I have a class in the morning. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you Wednesday. Bye, guys. Bye.
We enjoyed your time. I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.